Hi guys, sitting in my car. We're looking at my USB adapter. Got a little problem with it. It works absolutely fine, but at night, when it's turned on, you can see it is a brilliant blue light. Incredibly bright. You could almost use it as a torch. And that can be quite distracting late at night when you're driving in the dark. So I'm going to see if I can take it apart and either put a resistor in series with it to dull it down a bit, or change it for one that's not so bright. Well, the first thing we'll do is see whether we can get it apart without breaking it. It's not screwed together, so it's either clipped or glued. That sounded promising. Either the glue is coming apart or it's got little clips in it that are coming apart. I think it possibly might have had clips that I think may have just broken. I really would like to not destroy it so we can keep using it. I think that was glued. Yeah. Okay, can we actually get in there without splitting it apart? We can see the LED, but I've got a nasty feeling that's not going to come out. It's not. So what can we do about the LED? I suppose thinking laterally instead of just doing an electrical fix. I wonder if I've got a plastic tube I can slide over it. That might do the job. To get it apart, it looks like we'd have to break it along the seam here, and being as that was clearly glued in place, I think it's probably glued along the seam as well. Yeah, I don't want to break it because it does work absolutely fine. Oh, there's two LEDs. I didn't realise that. There's one there and one there. Well, like I say, I think I'll just try a simple option, see if I got any plastic tubing. Maybe the insulation off some cable or something. See if we can slide it over there to darken it down a bit. Right, got my 12-volt adapter thing here. So we can use it just to test without having to go and sit in the car. So that's our LEDs. I've got some black plastic tubing here, which is going to be a bit of a squeeze to try and get in there. Probably ought to do this with it unplugged. Yeah, I'll work on that, see if I can get that on both sides. That'll stop the sideways light, make it directional, which will reduce it. Well, I think that's reduced it a bit. It's not quite so much in your face. It's more directional. But But I think I'll do another simple fix. I'll get some black ink, black felt tip pen or something, and go over the inside and see if that'll darken it down. It's really not what I had in mind. I had it in mind to desolder those LEDs and replace them. But to get there, I would have to split it open. I don't think I'll get it back together again. So we'll try that. Yeah, because I've made it more directional, it's not flowing out the side as much as it was around here. Yeah, definitely dulled it a bit. But yeah, we'll try something simple. Try some black on there. Well, yeah, that's dulled it down quite a bit. To be honest, there's nothing I couldn't have done there from the outside. I could have just painted over the outside, having gone to all that trouble. But I've used metallic ink and then covered that with black as well, so it's extra dark. So, yeah, we've dulled it down. Not what I had in mind, but an improvement on what it was. Now I'll have to glue it back together. Well, I'll go and try it in the car again. But I think we've darkened it down a bit. Right, we'll turn the ignition on again. Well, it's certainly not as much in your face as it was, but I'll have to wait till it's dark to see whether I've had any impact on it or not. So worst case scenario, I'll cover it with black felt tip pen. But I think I've reduced it. It was all flaring up around here before, wasn't it? You can still see it a bit, but it was all lighting up the whole area. So I think that's an improvement. Because you can't really tell with the camera, because the camera's doing automatic white balance. Right. It's 1:30 in the morning. That's a lot less bright. Yeah, I think we've done the job there. Good comparison. All the rest of the lights there. Yeah, it's much better. Everything obviously looks much brighter in the camera doing the automatic light adjustment, but that's much better. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.